Hi everybody, it's me Trudy. So I am going to go ahead and join in on this collaboration about what our desks look like. I'll get all the details, they'll be on the link down below. But I'm going to go ahead and turn you guys around and I'm going to show you guys a little bit of where I work, okay? All right. Okay, first of all, I just want to excuse my little dog. That's Tucker. And Tucker enjoys his little toys. But what you're looking at is a view of my crafty area. So some of you may or may not know, but I did have a dedicated room in my house that was for my craft room. And last year, my daughter, unfortunately, sadly to say that, she had some life-changing transitions and went through divorces, is going through divorce. And so I was able to have her come, well, we had her come and live here. And so the room, so we needed the room. I have a 3-bedroom house and we needed the room for her to be in. Thank goodness that we can do that. But what you see here is like this would normally be sort of a family room area. And I'll take a panoramic sort of, I'll show you how it looks. Now, keep in mind, this is dining area, kitchen area too. And I just got home from work, so it's not the cleanest. But this is real life, right? That's what we want, real life. So then if I turn around like this, you'll see, and I'll explain all of this to you. So, and then there's my kitchen area, and right here some more stuff that's kind of over, more crafty stuff. I did some Valentine things, and yeah, and Amazon box over there. I'm getting ready to start this dinner. And so, turning you around, okay? So this is like what you see. This is right here is the edge of my table, and then that's like a family area room. But I'm really happy to be back here. In fact, at one point, I was going to go ahead and just move my craft room and in here before she even moved in, because I wanted to be able to see outside my yard. And right there is my patio. And when I open these curtains, I can see outside right now. It's kind of gloomy and wintry. But you guys, I'm going to be putting a swimming pool in. So this is what I'll see when I look outside. I'm going to be seeing a beautiful swimming pool eventually. That's happening this coming year. But more details in the near future. So I lost my breath. I ran in here. I was so excited. I got the new My Pillow, I think. So I was like so excited. Been having this neck pain. And so my sweetheart, he has those, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna get some. So anyways, I got some and they were on my doorstep. So I was really happy. But I really wanted to do this video for you guys because I want to be part of this collab. I met these lovely ladies, and it's so funny because I really can relate to a lot of the things that they said. And the other day I was not feeling up to, I was not feeling well. And I kind of stayed in my room and just binge watched some of those, some of their videos. All right, so this is my table. And you guys, I am so how can I say, I want to be on YouTube so often, but I just don't have the time. It seems like to really a dedicated time for a schedule and all that. It's just, I don't know. Hopefully I'll get there. I don't know when, but I will. But this is my dedicated area. I love it. I love it so much. I have so much storage. It goes all the way up to the roof. And yeah, every single one is labeled. I have all of those. I have my Cricut there. I'll show you guys what I'm working on right now. I have all my things that are, within arm's reach, the things that I love to get. Then here's my computer area, and I like to dabble in tarot too. And I am reading The Artist's Way for this year. I have all my crystals there. I do have, in case you're watching, Tammy, I do have an altar, but that's in my room. And And then here's my book of morning pages, because I do that. I have all my tarot cards and my oracle cards in those boxes. I'm not proficient. I'm just dabbling. But I love it. And like I said, it goes all the way up here. That is a regular TV. And then I have 2 monitors. Oops. Good. And my honey built me these. And I love them. It's so much storage, you guys. I have like an abundance of storage. However, you guys, I also have storage in my garage. And I will show you that. I'm not going to. So I have storage under there too. And you see there's old magazines. I have storage there. It comes around here. Here I have some old books. Some stamps, ribbon. I have stuff. I've been crafting for many years, you guys. Many, many years. And so this is a lot of collection throughout the years. I like art. Here's my art. I have 3 of these they're not really Roscogs or Roscar. I don't know what you call them, but they're not. I got them at Target. I actually like the Target ones better. And then I have more drawers. I have more decor. Remember, all of this stuff was in my it was in my craft room. Lots of art stuff. I have a table here because I have my sewing machine on it. I'm going to do something with this. I haven't decided what, but I also have a press down there. It's a heat press. Sorry, that's my dog's bed and it looks terrible, but they love it. I got that from my sweetheart this Christmas. And I can't wait to use it, but I need a really sturdy table to use it. And then I did some Valentine's decor. This is kind of overflow. And then I'll show you guys what I'm working on. So what I'm working on right now, and some of you might already have seen it, but I did an old Betty Crocker cookbook. I'm doing another one. And I'm actually going to do 2 because I really need to be doing 2 of everything. That's my new thing. I should be doing 2 of everything. So I have this Betty Crocker picture cookbook. And you guys, this was so dilapidated. Like, I couldn't even salvage that. So I had to make the binding. I had to redo this, reinforce it. I redid the inside. This is all done. And then I have some of my signatures. I think I'm going to put 4, possibly 5 signatures in here. And what I'm going to do is I'm sewing these with some muslin like this. I'm going to sew these with muslin. So that'll be 1 page. And then all my pages will go in. So each will have a tab. Each signature. And this is going to be for my daughter-in-law. Because I already made one for my daughter, and then my other daughter, she's getting one too. So that's for her. And so this is what I'm doing. So I am working on that. I have this that came in the mail. This is a little, I'm going to put this in here, like, so she can have a calendar with some, these have recipes in them. So I'm going to put that in there somehow. And here's some of the papers that came out of here, and I'm going to use those. I just don't know how, and I'm taking my time with it. And then I also, this is something I like to do late at night when everybody's asleep, because now I have a full house, and so I like to just dabble and just sketch. I only did her, but I think my daughter said she looks like a refugee. I don't know what that means, but anyways, I like to do that. So that's something that I like to do. And then what I'm doing, you guys, is I belong to a bunch of Facebook groups, and I haven't done it yet because I'm always so busy, but I want to participate in some, they're always posting like, what do you call it? Kind of like swaps and stuff. And I used to do that years ago. I've been on YouTube, you guys, for a long time. I think since, I don't know, 2010. I don't know, long time. I'm not consistent. My channel never grew. It's not something that I took too seriously, but I had fun with it, and I met a lot of people. And some of them I've been friends with ever since. like BC Doula. Some of you spiritual ladies, go see her channel. She has some older videos that you would really love. It's like I really got into like some of her. She's a crafty lady. I love her. I love you, Monica. I really do. Okay, so anyways, because I put together some ephemera, and let's see, where are they? I have them somewhere in this room. Okay, here they are. So what I did is I have like this manila envelope, and then I put some things in here, and a bunch more is going to go in here. And what I'm doing is making these little ephemera packs. And this was a manila envelope, and I just, made the pockets. I'm going to stuff it. I'm going to, finish it, and I'm going to put a beautiful ribbon on it, stuff it with all kinds of ephemera, because believe me, up there I have tons of stuff, you guys, that I want to share. So I'm going to go ahead and stuff these and put them in an envelope and send them off. I'll tell you what, because I didn't plan on this, I'm going to go out on a limb. If you're watching this, if you want one of these and you're in the US, I will send you one. Just the first, I think I have 10. The first 10 people, now I'm not giving you a time frame, but the first 10 people that says they want one, I will send you one. Just, let's see. Tucker is the name of my dog. Just put Tucker in there somewhere and I will know. This way you watch the video. There you go. All right. So the other thing, this is a December daily that I made 2 years ago. And I love it, but I just made this huge book, and I can't fill it up in 1 year. And so I've been working on it a couple of years now. And so I have a bunch of Christmas pictures that I want to put in it that I need to do, and then I can put this, and I use this as decor now, you guys. That's part of my Christmas decor. So there you go there. So remember, those December dailies can be your decor. All right, so hold on. I'm going to show you my garage. Okay, before I show you my garage, I just wanted to show you real quick. I made that for Valentine's. Those are Dollar Tree. I think they were $5 for those gnomes. I got that tree on clearance after Christmas and made that little Valentine's tree. And I think I'm going to make that for every holiday. And then I just used an old wine bottle. And let's see. I know it works. So, and that lights up, and the tree lights up. Pretty little decor right there, and those are my little granddaughters' little dolls that they forgot here, and I thought looked cute. So yeah, so that's like right there by the tree. Okay, taking you to the garage. All right, guys, please, no judgment, okay? This is just us crafters. Come on, we do this stuff. We buy this stuff, and then we just keep it. So this is a table that I'm going to go ahead and it's a nice table, but I just can't use it. But if you see down there, you guys, that is all paper. The paper goes all the way to the bottom of the thing because this cabinet is huge. Huge, okay? This is all crafty stuff. So you can see why, like, I don't know, I kind of get stuck sometimes because I think I have so much stuff. I don't know where to begin, but I know what I have. And like I said, I've been doing this a long time and I'm preparing for my retirement. That's what I'm doing. So this is another little thing that I have. And those boxes on the blue boxes are all my crafty stuff. And of course, you know, stock up on that. And then all of that is my daughter. So yeah, so there's all my crafty, some exercise equipment that stays outside. But yeah, there's some more crafty stuff and pretty full. So I do have an abundance, but that's what we do, right? Okay, guys, well, that's it. Okay, I just wanted to show you. Thank you guys for doing this. I think this is really cool. I will show you guys, because I am going to purge. I'm going to get rid of some stuff. You guys see I have a lot of stuff. And I really can't be crafting for the next 300 years. So yeah. So anyways, thank you. I appreciate you. Those of you who stuck, you know, who stand by me, Lara, you always commenting. Just, I love you guys, and thank you, thank you, thank you. And for the new people, thank you for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate it. And I really am going to try to just be more consistent and put up some videos. All right. See ya. Bye.